Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be sharing with you guys all of my fall decoration ideas from last year. I'm going to be sharing some clips of all of my fall decorations that I did in the kitchen and in the living room in this apartment. However, keep in mind, last year was our first year here in this apartment. So my entire apartment was not 100% furnished the way that I wanted it to be. So I did not have a rug. I just had built my TV console. So in my opinion, it just looked really empty in here. It looked like we had just moved in, but that's okay. And you guys be nice in the comments. That's why I like these type of videos, because I can always look back on these type of videos and see how my decorating is progressing over the years, which it has improved tremendously. And not only my decorating, but also my editing skills has completely improved. But to be honest with you guys, I went through the same exact video to get some inspiration for this year's fall decorations, and you guys absolutely love this year fall decorate with me, so I just thought to share this video with you guys. So not only that, I just love watching all of my fall decorating ideas. It gives me inspiration, whether it's the same idea or different ones, or even ways that I can improve on the idea that I may even already have just by watching the video. So in addition to all of the fall decoration ideas that I have given you guys so far, I thought it would be fun to look back at all of my fall decorations from last year. So yeah, that's going to be today's video. So I wanted to give a little disclaimer and just say that I have not changed out or switched up any of my fall decorations this year. So this video that's being shown is actually last year's fall decorations. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing each piece with you guys and where I got it from. And of course, I will link it down in the description box below. But there is not going to be tons of talking from me in this video. I am going to play some cozy fall music in the background as we watch and enjoy all of the fall decorating ideas. So today's weather is actually perfect for today's video because the highest, I believe, is about 66 degrees. It is definitely cloudy and cold outside, so it's giving off that warm, cozy vibe. So you'll get a lot of that in today's video. So let's go make us a coffee, and then we're going to watch back all of my last year fall decorating ideas. Pretty much everything I'm going to be using today. Most of this stuff I got from Amazon and Target. These kitchen towels from Joann's last year. I did purchase a candle warmer lamp. This here is from Target. The picture frame is from Amazon. The actual pictures from Etsy, and I printed it out. Towels are from Target, lamp Target. This candle here is from Target as well. Last year I used some burgundy flowers and it actually melted on the candle. So if you guys see red, that's what that is. Target. These here is from Amazon. Pumpkins down here is from Amazon. This dough bowl is actually from Amazon, I believe, or Walmart. Flowers are from Target. Target. This is from, I want to say Amazon. And this is from Target. Target and Hobby Lobby. Flowers are from Target, vase from Target. So the majority is from Target. I would definitely have everything linked down that I can link if you guys are interested in picking any of these items up. think. Let me know down in the comment section below. But I do know that this video was a little bit on the shorter side. I do have a small apartment, so it only takes me about 10 to 15 minutes to decorate. I still love everything that I decorated, from the kitchen to the living room. Like always, if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to join my YouTube family, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys in the next video.